Imagine the fourth strongest tornado ever ripping through your town. It then goes on to destroy your school, your hospital, level many neighborhoods, and kill many storm chasers.
Get in! A crazy low-pressure system was crossing across the entire United States, and the first target was seen as Minnesota, in the Twin Cities specifically. And just recently, Minnesota started to warm up, and Sunday was the perfect day, and spring has just rolled around. Guys, so right now we got Sebastian. He is a storm chaser member of the Tornado Twister gun. As he explained in his last video, this thing can actually, if you shoot it, it releases so much energy that it can actually destroy a tornado. Isn't that right? Isn't that right, Ashton? And we got the rest of our team drilled. So, just in case if the tornado's on top of us and we're out.
All the storm chasers clogged up the park street. But it was only a matter of time before the actual tornado rolled in.
Guys, we're getting some insane thunder strikes right now. Me and my crew are back inside of the RT4 right now. Right now, me and my crew the rest of the crew are back in the RT4. That's Road Tank 4. And right now, we got some pretty high circulation up there. And it's getting very thundery. We hear some intense thunder in this field. And right now, there's some pretty high rotation up there. So let's see if we can get something.
And by 3:30 p.m., the first report of a funnel came down, very briefly before it increasingly was wrapped in rain until it was practically invisible. But something more horrifying was in the view of the tornado. As it started to grow, it entered a very poor spot of the town, a trailer home park with 300-mile-per-hour winds. Then it slowed down right over the trailer park. In just 2 minutes, the entire place would be scrubbed off the earth, leaving no structure behind, but only a few windmills. Not even the worst damage happened to the houses, but to the cars that were there too. A car not even in the direct wind field of the tornado was shredded up, had all of its insides gutted out before being tossed in a field 100 yards away. And still, a house that was half a mile away already had its shingles ripped off. Dan was unknowingly accidentally driving into the tornado because it's rain-wrapped. These are the images he captured. In this image, you can see that he's inside of the tornado from all the darkness, and in the center is a small little vortice along with many others. This second one is too blurry for you to see, but if you look closely, you can see the small vortice as he escapes the tornado. And by now, the tornado is well over 2 miles wide, and a family was inside of their house, recording as the tornado barrels in their direction. And the whole family did not survive. And if this rain-wrapped tornado killing everyone unexpectedly wasn't already not worse enough, they realized something even more horrifying. It's headed for hundreds of chasers who are lined up. This is when they put out a tornado warning for the public.
Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for South Central Anoka County, Northeast Hennepin, Central Hennepin, and East Hennepin County, Northwestern Ramsey County until 2:45 p.m.
Don't hear that, right?
And now they're actually in the circulation, but the outer bands are very weak. Until they actually got in the main circulation of the tornado is when they actually felt the real wrath.
Get back going. In the car now. Raju, get in the car.
Raju, stop! You need to stop!
Raju, get in the car.
Stop!
Get in the car now.
Raju, stop!
Get in!
You may be wondering why they waited until it was too late. But the outer circulation, and when you start to enter the tornado, it's unnoticeable because it's just rain. But once you get into the core, that's when the real horror begins. And Dan was driving down the interstate as he felt the wrath of suction of 70-mile-per-hour winds.
Guys, stop this. Right now we're driving down to get some heavy rain.
And the Shelby home was recording in their basement as the tornado just briefly passes by and they start to feel the violent winds. But thankfully, they survive. Note to self that thankfully the tornado just barely passes by and the small vortices just went by. And a competitive storm chasing team called Wind Winners were accidentally caught right in the circulation of the 2-mile wide rain-wrapped tornado.
Alright guys, I think we're getting the circulation. We got some rain. I think we actually drove right under the wall cloud. Roll down the window.
After this, their windows are smashed in before they're lifted in the air, and then they start getting flipped 100 yards away from the road. They are then thrown in a ditch and flipped over 50 times before coming to a stop 200 yards away from the road. Then, it passes over them, and 10 more cars are flipped over, some even going airborne and being crushed. It weakens slightly, but me and my team inside of the RT4 are caught in the circulation. Just keep going straight.
Debris! Debris!
Keep going, guys.
Oh my god! Oh my god! There's debris everywhere! Keep going, Andrew. Keep going! Keep going! Why is
Keep going,
this
guys.
stopping?
Keep going. Everybody duck down. As we barely escape, we measure wind speeds up to 397 mile per hour winds, enough to easily make our car go airborne. Finally, at 4:01 p.m., the funnel dissipated into the sky, being on the ground for exactly 31 minutes. And the city was left in shock at the complete devastation the tornado has made. And about 126 lives would be lost in this singular tornado alone, also ranking this as the 4th strongest ever.